In today's video, we're taking your comment requests and cooking pizza on different household appliances and in different environments. Will it become a perfectly cooked pizza we all love, a doughy mess, or a straight up disaster?
So today's video comes from the comments. You wanted us to look at cooking pizza different ways. Specifically was mentioned on an iron. Now, we've cooked bacon on the iron, so we know that it works. But we've got two pizzas here.
Yummy!
We got some take and bake pizzas.
Take and bake.
So the dough still needs to be baked.
Yep, it's completely raw.
And we have some instructions here that tell us that we need to preheat the oven to 425 and then bake for 12 to 18 minutes.
Crispy pizza.
And then step 3 is enjoy.
Here's the basic idea. We have a couple pizzas and we're going to cook them in a variety of unique ways. On an iron, in the oven, on a pan, over the hot sidewalk, on a roof, and in a solar powered oven. Which ones will work and which ones will fail?
We need a control, so we're gonna cut our pizzas in half and we're gonna bake one of each of our halves in the oven so that we have actual pizza that we feel safe eating. And then I'm making a solar oven. So a solar oven, it's a box. You cover it all with tin foil. You gotta prop it up so it stays up. I got two little things here, like this. And then you put saran wrap on top of your pizza. So I'm gonna make one of those.
That's nifty.
To cook a slice. And the other way, I'm just gonna take a piece, throw it in this pan, and then set it on the sidewalk.
Okay, so Kevin is making a solar. I want to cook mine on the roof. So I am making this. And I'm just gonna take my piece of pizza that, yes, I know you all feel a certain way about pineapple on pizza. Mine does have pineapple and so does Kevin's.
Mine too, pineapple.
And I'm just gonna drop my piece of pizza on here. And we're gonna bake it. Might fold it over, might leave it open, haven't decided yet, but we'll see what happens. All right, you guys, so this isn't the real house, but it's the house we have in the backyard, and it's kind of gray sized, so I'm gonna claim it as mine. All right, think that's it. I don't know how long it needs to cook or how long it needs to be up here, but hopefully it doesn't slide down. I don't know. All right, let's go see if Kevin's burnt his pizza yet.
Place in oven.
25 minutes.
No, 12 to 18. I'm just gonna cut this in half because I only got two. I'm gonna put one in the solar oven, one in there, and just cook that outside. So just get a real quick cut. All right, just putting it on the stairs here in the beautiful sun of Utah. See what happens. So I'm gonna make my solar oven here. So you need a few things. You need a box.
A box.
I got duct tape to help me out. Saran wrap.
Saran wrap.
Aluminum foil.
Aluminum foil.
You can use a pizza box or anything like this. You just need something that's going to be able to like bounce sunlight off to the bottom. You just take aluminum foil.
Nice.
And you line in your box.
I'm heating up the iron while Kevin's doing that.
Place my pizza inside so it fits well. And then you take the saran wrap and put it over the top. Tear it off. All right, now we go put this outside.
Woo!
And let it cook. All right, just gonna put it outside. You want the sun to come in right here. So my sun's there. You look at the shadow. Shadow should be directly behind your pizza. I'm excited for this one. It's sizzling.
Just like that. Just like that. I'm gonna add a couple more toppings since a couple of them fell off. Mushroom. There we go. And yeah, we are now cooking some pizza on an iron. Pizza's ready. I'm gonna take it out. That I am very capable of. Oh, look at those. Kevin, your cheese looks so interesting. There it is, you guys. Oh, look how delicious this looks. Even though this one has only been on the iron for like 5 minutes.
Maybe.
Yeah?
Not even.
It looks pretty good.
Like
it's
right
getting
here,
there.
but there. It will take some more time. Definitely very melty.
Yeah.
Grace was pointing out that my cheese looks all weird. It's right, because you gotta like warm it up and then you can kind of spread it around some more.
Oh.
Yeah. Very good.
So which of your pizzas do you think is gonna turn out the best?
The oven cooked pizza.
Well, besides this one.
I think my solar oven might do pretty well.
Okay.
So solar oven versus the pan. The only difference there is that the pan is black like there's more sun absorption coming in there because of the darker color, but also the solar oven itself has a lot of reflection going on, a lot of reflective surfaces, and it's going to have like a container. So condensation also going to be building up on the inside, creating like a greenhouse effect. So I think the solar oven is going to do it because of the greenhouse effect and the reflection of going around everywhere.
We love and hate the greenhouse effect.
Bad for Earth, good for pizza. Pizza!
Pizza! We have it cooked in different ways. You can see our controls are here. Kevin, yours blew up.
Yeah, so it's been about an hour and a half that we left it outside, about 90 minutes. And if we look at the one that was just in the pan, it got definitely floofy. The crust, the dough here, definitely perched up. So I think maybe it's cooled down. You can see that it did get a little bit heat, so definitely heated up, not to the point of full on cooking the pizza. So that's interesting. But now the solar oven, this one is interesting as well. So let me take it apart. It still has some heat in it. I can feel it.
Oh, I feel it too, just touching the sides over here.
So the cheese is softer.
Nice.
Right, so it's a little spread. The crust is hard if I poke it. It's not golden brown.
Do you want to take a bite of your solar oven and your pan pizza
Let's
to
do
see?
it.
Oh, that is very doughy.
Still very doughy. Tastes good, but not cooked enough. It would need more time. Hour and a half. It got warm to be able to melt and stuff. You can use it to reheat your pizza after you've already cooked it.
Good idea, good idea.
Definitely better than the pan though.
Nice, nice.
Also very doughy. I would choose a solar oven.
So my roof, it actually did pretty well. I'm actually very surprised. Like when I took it down, it was still very warm. And it actually is cooked on the edges, but it's still also very doughy, as you can see.
So raw.
Yep, so raw. I don't know if I can take a bite of it because it is so raw. I'll like pull a piece of it, but like.
Super stretchy.
That's raw pizza dough. Like, the top looks cooked.
Yeah, it melts the cheese. If we have pre-cooked dough, I think all of our pizzas would have been okay.
Really good. I completely agree.
Just melts the cheese. Except for this one.
For this iron. It like really cooked this piece of pizza, y'all. That is some crispy, crispy pizza, my friends. Wow.
Like as a recap, like that was awesome. So our oven baked pizza was the best. And I think we were right in terms of iron. Then my ranking was solar oven, pan, and then roof is just so.
It's just still dough.
Nothing, no positive.
No.
Like the cheese isn't even fully melted.
No, it is not.
You can make the solar oven, it's gonna take a while. Otherwise, just put your pizza in the oven.
It's probably the best way to do something. So try this at home. Let us know how your results go. We'd love to see your pizzas that you cook on different surfaces. And if you have any ideas, leave them in the comments because we love to do your ideas.
I would recommend though getting pre-baked pizza dough because I don't want you to get sick.
Please, please the pre-baked.
That's it for today, guys. But you know we always got more fun content for you, so click hit.
Click hit? No.
We're gonna
Keeping this.
hit that subscribe button down in the corner so you never miss a video, and we'll see you in the next one. Talk to you then.